Hey everyone, CA Foundation exams are going on, accounts paper is over, your next target is Law BCR. Well, here are some important and quick tips for Law and BCR. Number 1, on 31st of night, you should be completed with Indian Contract Act and your Companies Act, okay? Make sure you do these acts and then only go to sleep. Your next morning, 1st of Jan, New Year, you should start with Sales of Goods Act, Indian Partnership Act and LLP. By your lunch, you have to complete law. That should be your target. After take a short break, please start off with BCR. By late evening, your BCR has to be done. You have ample of time afterwards, okay? Make sure you utilize them by doing your expected important questions. So while you are studying for so many months, you might have bookmarked a lot of questions. Now is the time to get your hands on that. Also, personally, I have rolled out a lot of important questions, roughly 50-55 questions. If you haven't got that sheet, please do WhatsApp on the number. These questions are very important for December 23 examinations. Okay. Now, the most important point during the paper, your ratio 2:1, 2 hours for law, 1 hour for BCR. Make sure you utilize this time very precisely. If you start law at 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock, your pen should be up. Don't write that question. No, sir, I wanted to write one more question. Because of that, I couldn't write BCR. This should not be the case. So, kuch bhi hone do wahan pe, your pen should be up. Okay? You should utilize 1 hour. 1 hour for BCR. Okay? That's the point. Okay? You start with anything, it doesn't matter. First 15 minutes, utilize it very properly. Don't look here and there in the examination hall. Okay? Please utilize the time given to you is for reading, for analysis, for drawing a roadmap in your mind of what I should do in the paper. Okay, utilize that time. It is very, very important. Okay, and also keep your paper tidy. Very important. And the most important part: write 100 marks and then only come out of the examination hall. Don't write 90. Don't write 95. Not 99. 100 should be your target. Okay. Remember one thing, if you have written 100 marks, you have that confidence of getting a lot of marks, okay? So make sure, and that is only achievable when you utilize one minute of that 3 hours, okay? So please utilize maximum. The first 15 minutes is very important. If you feel, no, law is very easy, I can do it, these questions are very simple, then please start with law. If you think I can pick up law afterwards, BCR is most easy, to start with BCR. But 2:1 ratio, very important. Don't invest a lot of time in question number 1. Usually what happens when you start writing question number 1, you invest a lot of time, because see, there are few questions you might know already. So you start dragging it down and writing got 2, 3 pages, not important at all. Few points, quality points is the key to success. This is not BCom, okay? Don't write that much, okay? And also, most important, please avoid spelling mistakes. If you don't know the section, avoid it. If you don't know only the act, please write it. If you have no understanding about the case समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, case आपको at that point of time आपको recall नहीं हो रहा है, don't write it, forget it. Don't write wrong, because you might end up like a lot of marks over there, okay? Keep your paper tidy, and also make sure after paper you tell me how much, you can just WhatsApp or just call also at how was law paper, okay? Best of luck, and make sure 100 marks is the target, okay? Thank you so much and best of luck.